Now that is not your typical carbon fiber dashboard. Welcome back to the Cobra Pit. Whether you're a longtime viewer or a newer subscriber like David Harkness, I see you. I appreciate every single one of you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. Now, once I switched up the interior of my car with the yoke steering wheel, the white seats, the white interior, there was just one piece that I wanted to switch up to make it a little more sporty. And then I was looking at that wooden dash. Now, I am not a fan of skins at all, and I've seen plenty of skins to give you that carbon fiber look on your dashboard. But I was just waiting for the right product. And right on time, Fusion Motorsport hit me up and said they wanted me to give a full review of their carbon fiber dashboard. Now, I had to do a little research to look it up, and no, it wasn't a skin. And no, it wasn't a cap. I do have a carbon fiber cap from Hanshow, but this is a complete dashboard replacement. Now, Fusion Motorsports talk about having quality materials, 100% real carbon fiber, and you can tell just by looking at it that this is legit. It looks good. It looks really, really good. It feels substantial. There is a big price difference between having a cap or a skin versus the real complete dashboard replacement, but you can see where the money comes in. Now, I do have an affiliate link for the Hanshow product, but not one for the Fusion Motorsports. So I'm giving my honest opinion on it. And that's what they wanted. They wanted feedback so I could let them know what they can improve on and what I really like about it. Now, they say these dashboards are handmade. They said they have highly qualified technicians that's spending hours and hours on each one. So they make sure that it's pretty immaculate. They wanted to look as precise as possible. The actual dashboard that they let me borrow has been their one prototype that they've been using, taking on and off. So there are a little bit of imperfections here and there, but they assured me that the final product will be pristine, perfectly well done. And I could tell they said they spent about over 8 hours manufacturing and producing each one. So they put some time and effort into this product, and it shows. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the install process and give you my final thoughts afterwards. All right, time to install the dash. Here it is, the dashboard. Supposedly all we need is a removal tool and something to, absorb some of the blunt trauma that your car will receive. But we'll see about it right now. So let me go ahead and remove the end caps first. All right, let's go ahead and remove this piece first. You don't want to damage anything, so I'm gonna wrap this in a washcloth. Let's see. Ooh. Sound like it broke. Let me look at it. Nah, didn't break. Nah, it didn't break. It's all good. Everything's there. Whew. Then I said I could remove this with my hand, but I'm using my pry tool anyway. There we go. Oh, easy. All right, this one. No issues whatsoever. I'm doing the same thing to the other side. And bring some force. That one definitely sounded like it broke. But it didn't. I'm good. I'll probably remove this from my hand. Yeah. So actually, maybe if you got a screwdriver, you haven't had this, you could just remove it. All right, cool. Now, we lift this up. Oh, that came up easy. You saw that? Oh, that came up easily. The whole thing came up. The whole thing came up easily, dog. All right, let me take this out. Easy. Now to compare the two with the original, it definitely looks OEM. Check that out. Wow. The only difference is it comes with that end cap now. The ones I removed that I thought broke comes with it, so I won't have to add that piece back. And also the color. So they do offer this dark color, and they also offer this silver lighter gray color. So whichever one you actually prefer, it's up to you. See these little clips right here? Those need to get seated in from right here. There we go. Good enough. Ooh, the pop there. Let me go back to the other side. Oh, okay. Make sure both sides are lined up. And it's in. Ooh-wee. Wow. Put this end cap in. Wow. Well, I kind of like that glossy gloss. Make sure the other side is in. Put the end cap back on. Wow. Okay. Okay. Take a closer look. Once again, I can't lie. I like it. I like it definitely looks OEM because it's the same parts, right? Same parts. And look at that gloss finish. Now, I didn't think that I would like the gloss finish as much as I did the matte. But to be honest, it looks good. It looks real good. Look at that. Here's the edges again. Now, I have a matte with a cap, and the fit isn't as good. It needs adhesive, and the edges aren't as precise as this. Because this pretty much takes off the old dashboard and just puts on a new one, right? Wow, this is nice. Now, I'm going to drive around with it for a week to find out if the glossy finish will, bother me while driving with the reflections and the suns and things like that. But I'll let you know. I was actually a little worried that the gloss would definitely reflect the sun. There'll be a huge glare issue, but it was a non-factor. It didn't bother me at all. Sometimes when I made sharp turns, I would see a quick reflection, but it was a non-issue. Definitely wasn't a problem at all. It does look clean. It does look nice. I got a few remarks. A couple people mentioned it and asked me about it. Compared to the matte, I think for me, I like the gloss. I thought I would like the matte, and I went with the matte cap from Hand Show, but I feel like the gloss gives it a little pop. Now, they did mention they're going to come with the matte because it can match the carbon fiber spoiler and things like that. I don't have that, so I do need my interior to pop a little more, and I do like that gloss. But the other issues with the gloss, I noticed there were a few scratches on that. Again, this is a prototype, but it may scratch over time if you're not too careful with it. Just like the original piano black console, you know how it picked up fingerprints and scratches. Because of that same gloss over the top, I can see that being an issue if you're not too careful with it. And another thing is that price. You have to factor in quality. Now, the cap itself, just the cap that goes on top that requires adhesive, is about $200. Now, the edges on the cap isn't perfect, right? But it gives you that look, right? You get that carbon fiber look. If you want to have a clean, I would say perfect look, then you want to pay for it, right? You can tell that this is a substantial product. It is pricey, but your car is pricey too. So you have to figure that out. Is it worth you paying the extra amount of money for it? Now, if you want to, you can sell them your old dashboard for $100. So that'll take a cut off of how much you pay for the dashboard itself. But me personally, and I think I am gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna keep my old dashboard in case I want to sell the car down the line. I can easily swap it back out and put the old one back in. But that's up to you, that's your choice. The install, straightforward, pretty easy. And I really, really love the look. Now, they said they may come out with a matte down the line, but the gloss is beautiful. I definitely wouldn't get a skin, but you know, if that's more in your budget, then go that route too. But maybe the cap versus the actual replacement, I'm leaning towards the replacement. I really love the look of it. I love the fit. I love the quality. I like to go towards quality. Yes, the price is up there, but the old saying is you get what you pay for. And again, I don't have anything, I don't have any incentive to push this product. It's just that I think it's a really great product. And when I contact them, I told them this and I said, you know what, I'm gonna order me one too. I'll link to the website and the install video below. Great people over there. I'm really rooting for them. And thank you guys all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. But don't forget, Cobra told ya. All right, y'all.